Good afternoon po, pina-follow ko po kayo. Nilalike ko po yung mga reviews.
Okay.
Ako po dito si Rhea. Ako po ang anak ni Cyril. She's very into arts. Isa siyang wannabe editor also like her father and director. Tapos, kumbaga, galing siya sa isang very film-related family with her lolo and father into doing films. Pero siya, very dedicated siya and gusto niya talaga sa sarili niya na makilala siya, hindi dahil sa last name niya, hindi dahil sa pamilya niya, pero dahil sa skills at sa sarili niya. So tutulungan niya, ay, panoorin niyo na lang po iba, baka makwento ko na yung story ha. Pero sana panoorin niyo na lang po. Pero kung ano ang similarities niya, hindi niyo po na itatanong, nag-aral din po ako ng film. Almost 10 years ago, nung college. So yun, pero hindi ko po natapos. Pero yun, ako baga, syempre palagi natin gustong matuto. And parang ganun din si Rhea na very eager siya, very dedicated siya. If meron siyang gustong tapusin, gagawin niya para matapos din. Yun. Ganun po kami. Ayun. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Why did I accept the film? Why not? Syempre, I'm grateful. It's an honor to be part of this film. And nung sinabi po sa akin, yung details nitong pelikulang to, game agad. Kasi very interesting. Isang malaking karangalan na mapasama dito sa, first feature film na Direk Igos. Kasi I'm sure na it will go places. And katulad nga ng sinabi ni Direk Nick, syempre, hopefully sa mga festivals, yung pelikula, na sana po kasama rin po kami. Ayun, thank you po.
Thank you.
How do I say, for the past, 4 years, I try to inject, how do I say this? Something happened a long time ago which basically got me into this wormhole about mental health, and other projects in the past has gotten me to realize that apparently yung kaalaman natin, or if yung katumbas na age group natin in terms of mental health awareness, the entire country as a whole is of like a grade 3 or probably a grade 3 student. At that time, ang alam ko lang is baliw at hindi baliw. And my personal experience has gotten me to open my eyes to how important this is and how much it's affecting all of us and how it has affected me. So the past 4 years, I've been trying to inject that into all of my projects, and even if it's not part of it, especially on television, kasi pagdating sa TV, it's easy to put in what you want, especially since I'm always the bad guy, and nobody really likes the bad guy. So I get to put like some input on how I want to do it, and it's usually has something to do with mental health awareness and something like that. Which is why I said yes to this film. It basically talks about scars that we can pass on, and sometimes we don't even know that it's there. And I noticed lang from everything that I've seen from news and movies is that that's one of the things that make us as a Filipino. We're not aware of the generational scars that we have, and that tends to dictate how we treat the people around us. You know, like women getting beaten up, husbands getting kicked out of the house, whatnot, whatever. Diba? So I really like talking about those things. So when I found out that this was going to be talking about that, I jumped right at it. You know, I love these things. It definitely has something to say. In this case, I play, I almost said my character sa TV. Cyril Anderson. And just like me, he comes from a family who basically do the same thing. You know, para siyang family business. And in this case, they like to make films. So do I. I'm also third generation, and Cyril is second. But with his daughter present, there's three of them. I too have a daughter, and she also lives with her mom. But that doesn't mean that we don't have a relationship. So there was really there was a platform for me to dive off from. It was already personal from the start. Especially at this point in my life, I'm very much aware of how my parents' scars have been passed on to me, and how I have affected other people around me because of those scars. So that's why it's such an advocacy for me to do these things. Cyril and what's your name again? Rhea. They're also estranged, but in this case, their interests have gotten them back together in a certain place to actually try and bond. And this is where the story begins. It's very personal and so easy to say so easy to say yes to that.
Okay, thank you.